What causes bra bulge? You know how in the Princess Diaries movie, Mia is transformed just by wearing the right clothes and getting the right haircut? In many ways, dealing with bra bulge is the same thing. It can be as simple as a better fitting bra or a differently designed one. It can also be as complex as conditioning your mind and body through exercise. What causes bra bulge? Bra bulge is usually caused by a wrongly fitted bra. The medical journal, Chiropractic and Osteopathy, reports that 80% of women wear the wrong-sized bras. In that 80%, 70% of all women wear bras that are too small for them. This can cause strain on shoulders because a bra strap's pulling too much on the bust. More than that, wrong-fitting bras can create cases of bra bulge, where skin is pushed up or below the bra line at the back and under the arms, and sometimes forced over the bust. It's a stressful sight for anyone, but the cause is as simple as a bra too small. To lessen the strain on your shoulders and on your breast tissue, always check this first. How to fit for your bra. By the number. Use a measuring tape, tightly, no cheating, around your torso, just below the bust. That gives you the number of your bra band. Then use a measuring tape, loosely, no cheating, over the top of your breasts. The number of inches difference between your band line and your breast line is your cup size. By the feel. Sometimes numbers are both confusing and misleading. You can go for the fit and feel through these tests. Your back bra band should be parallel to your front band. If it rides up or falls down, double check the cup size or band length. Your bra shouldn't form a pyramid over your breasts. If it does, double check cup size or band length. Raise your arms. Do your breasts stay in place or fall out from underneath? If they fall out, go for a bigger cup. If you're going with an underwire bra, if the wire is pinching you all the way under your arms, you need a smaller cup. On the other hand, if the underwire is already digging under your breasts, you need a bigger cup. If that's not the issue, then maybe it's time to change your bra style for more support and better general fit. Buy front clasping bras. Front clasping bras have one uninterrupted band that goes around the back. You slip it on like a vest and clasp it comfortably in the front. Because you don't twist and move your shoulders to clip it at the back, your skin stays smooth and doesn't get pushed around. Make sure the back band settles comfortably parallel to the line below your bust. Buy wide strap bras. Sometimes bra bulge happens because your shoulders aren't lending enough support to your bust. When looking for bras, try to choose ones with wide straps. These can be t-shirt bras or even sports bras. The wide straps even out the weight carried by your shoulders, and smooth down bra bulge by flattening it out and shaping your bust. Buy wide band bras. For better support and a smoothening, flattening effect, look for wide band bras. Sometimes our skin just ridges around a thin band because the pressure on the band from the bust causes it to dig in. Find a wide band bra, also usually a sports bra, and fit it snugly from the bottom of your shoulder blades to, if it falls that low, the end of your rib line. Buy partial underwire bras. A partial underwire bra is a secret weapon for reducing bra bulge. This time, you're using it for the push-up element in a scientific way. The added support and push-up pulls from the skin around your torso, smoothing and flattening the skin where your bra band rests. This can effectively reduce or remove bra bulge. Improve your posture. The mirror tells us a different thing every day. Sometimes it's due to our mood, or our hormonal changes. Often it's because when our posture reflects our bad mood, everything just looks discouraging. Before going on a crash diet or forcing on a wrong-fitting bra, try target exercises to improve your posture. If you want a more permanent, health-friendly way of reducing bra bulge, it's good to consult about more cardio-heavy exercises. Cardio firms up the skin and reduces fat, and gives you the confident posture of a healthier person. If you want to invest long-term in reducing bra bulge, exercise is the ideal way to do it.